Ito? Oh, libot lang tayo, di ba?
What does Messiah mean? What does Messiah mean? But the one, when the action but two, ibig sabihin nun, yan, ang Messiah kapag saan? I see. Where is it? Someone who is wearing a hat. Okay, Messiah.
Ako na lang ako sa question. Okay. Kung dili sa Sugbo, ang actual festival nila is Sinulu. Unsa na festival ang sa Messiah?
Okay, okay, what is that? Hanad Festival. Thank you so much, sir. Dito po. Ayan. And we have last two. Okay, let's do it now. Okay. What? Okay.
Di ba? Sa unsa to? Sa unsa to?
Next is
Bisaya.
Alad.
Lagi. Ang question ba?
Where can you find the first Notre Dame in Asia?
First
Notre Dame in Asia?
Messiah.
Oh, Messiah. Yung aming.
Salamat, sir.
Okay, Messiah.
Ay mo pagkabag mo taga dito man mo taga Sipora man nang ipag.
Okay, next question.
Nagdali-dali. Wala lagi pa doon.
Alright, ito magbigay na lang.
Sige, pangalan ko na ba?
What is? Okay, ulitin ko na lang yung kanina kung mayroong recall. May recall sa mga tao dito kanina. Paulit-ulit kong sinasabi kanina, ilan ang municipalities that are found in the province of Cotabato?
17 is correct.
Okay, sure, 17 is correct. Again, ladies and gentlemen, I hope we will be able to see you in our province, in our region, Subsurgent, and get to see and experience the beauty, fun, food, and adventure of our region. Remember, we will always be here because you have welcomed us here in Cebu. And I hope we will be able to see you, all of you, in Subsurgent next time. Again, I am Person Joseph Sawi.
And I'm Jack Alpalo. See you in Cotabato Province and
Subsurgent.
Salamat.
Ayan, thank you so much sa napakalaman po natin ang province of Cotabato. And now, gusto niyo pong makakita ng isang video na nangyari kahapon? Ayan, sumigaw ka mo ng yes!
Yes!
Alright, please, panoorin po natin ang highlights ng nangyari sa ating opening day of the Treasures of Songs Year 7.
Tanaw. Alol ta dari. Ay,
Sige.
In return, we'd like to welcome all our guests to the world celebrated Ladies and Treasures of Songs on our Year 7 here in Region 7. We are socially responsible to listen.